Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. So usually on this channel, I talk about DevOps tools, I talk about end-to-end projects, but this video is going to be different. In today's video, I'll talk about something that can significantly enhance your job opportunities, building in public. I'll cover three things in the video. Firstly, what is building in public? Then how it can help you, and finally, what exactly you need to do to build your profile in public. This is going to be a very insightful video. Just make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, let's get straight to the point. What is building in public? I'm sure a lot of you must be hearing this for the first time. Simple. Creating a public profile for your work, sharing your knowledge, or learning from others is called building in public. A simple example, creating a LinkedIn profile, sharing your work or your knowledge on LinkedIn, learning from others' work. In a way, you can open your profile for opportunities by building your network is called as building in public. Something that I do on day-to-day basis. I constantly share my knowledge on LinkedIn. I learn from others' knowledge. I don't do it for job opportunities, but I do it for my profile building so that I can get freelancing opportunities. I can get brand collaborations, right? Now you might say how it can help you. Okay, let me talk about job opportunities and tell you how it can help you. If you go few years back, the recruiting process used to be linear. Recruiters used to post about the job openings, maybe on LinkedIn or maybe on their company portals. And everyone who is interested, they used to go and apply for these opportunities. Now, this is still happening. I'm not denying the fact, but there is a new shift. Now, recruiters are going to these job portals. I mean, the public profile portals like LinkedIn or GitHub or even the blogging platforms, and they are trying to find the right people. They are trying to find the people who are very active in the skills that they're looking for. Let's say they're looking for Kubernetes. They are trying to see the people who are constantly posting on LinkedIn or who share their work on LinkedIn about Kubernetes. And they try to approach these people. This is a new shift. Now, this is the advantage. Like if you be active, your profile gets visible and recruiters or someone can reach out to you, maybe for freelancing or for the job opportunities. Now, let's get to the actual point. How can you build your profile in public? A lot of people, they tell me, Abhishek, I definitely want to build my profile. I want to be active on LinkedIn, but I'm finding it difficult. What should I post on LinkedIn? How should I engage with others? How can I build my network? Okay, I'll give you five easy pointers in the video. Okay, just follow these five things and you can build your profile in next 30 to 60 days. First, and the most easy one. If you're already working as a DevOps engineer, you are working in an organization. Your organization has an architecture. It has an architecture for Git. It has an architecture for Terraform, Kubernetes. Share your understanding of this architecture. Okay, you don't have to post exactly the same architecture, but you can share insights on this is how we are building our Kubernetes cluster, or this is how we operate with Terraform within our organization. You might think who is going to watch or who is going to look at that post. Trust me, there are a lot of people. It can be freshers, it can be people who are working in different organizations, but don't get opportunity to work on a specific tool. They will engage with your post. It might not happen overnight, but it will happen over the period of time. So the first and easy way is to share the architecture designs. Now, sometimes you feel your architecture is not the best architecture, but whatever works the best for your company is the best architecture for your company. So it's okay. Just share your understanding of these architectures. Second, writing technical deep dive posts. Let's say you're good with a particular tool. Now, obviously, if you're working for a period of time, you will be good with at least one tool. Take the tool and start writing the technical deep dives of the tool. For example, if you're good with Kubernetes, start writing about the Kubernetes pods, then deployments, then services, then probably the gateway API, whatever it is. As you keep writing, you will understand what should be your next post. Probably that might even come from a comment on your post. Third, another easy one, post about the incidents. When you're working in a company, you will run into issues, you will run into incidents, and definitely you would be part of fixing an incident or you might have fixed the incident. Why don't you write about it? It's a very easy way and it's very efficient way to build the network. For example, your Kubernetes cluster went down or your application running in Kubernetes went down for 15 minutes. Write about it. Explain how did you solve the issue. You can mask the important details and share your knowledge. Fourth one, post about the automation projects. When you're working or even as a hobby project, you must have automated something. You must have automated your regular Git commands, or maybe you must have automated the kubectl commands. You must be running bunch of kubectl commands. Maybe you wrote a wrapper script that saved 10 minutes of your time. Or you might have worked on a Terraform automation, CI/CD automation. Write about it. Design an architecture diagram of your automation. Use it as a picture for your post and write multiple points. How did you build that automation tool and how did it help you actually? It's good if you can write about the time that this automation saved for you. Finally, fifth, and something that I keep talking a lot about on this channel, GitHub profile. Whenever you're working on something, let's say you learned something from my channel. Obviously, there is demo for every video on the channel, every tutorial. I create a GitHub profile. You can practice the same video. You can create your GitHub profile and you can build an impressive GitHub profile. Once you create GitHub repositories, share those repositories on LinkedIn. Maybe someone who is working on something similar or someone who is stuck at a point, they can refer to your GitHub profiles and they can engage with you on the GitHub as well as LinkedIn. Perfect. So these are 5 easy ways on how you can build your profile in public. I hope you found it insightful. Now let's say, even after all this, you are still finding it difficult to build your profile. I have a simple tip for you. Just create your profile, let's say on LinkedIn. For next few days, try to see how others are building their profile. Try to see how others are posting. And once you do that for, let's say, a week or 10 days of time, you will get a clear picture on how you can also build your profile. Nice. So this is the video for today. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Take care.